Sundowns coach Mikel Cardoso, the philosophy changed today in today's games. For me, I think so many long ball. After a while, somehow, I think uvelile naye namhlanje ukuthi urane out of idea. You understand? Udlala ama-long ball amaningi trying to get uRonan Williams. You can't rely on Ronan Williams ukuthi akuphasele ii-strikers zakho. Yena Matthews, also Reynolds, also Ribeiro. You can't. Namhlanje mangamcheka bengicala ukubona i-Sundowns after a while to udlala ngama-breaks ngikhuluma nga-first half. The philosophy is slowly changing at Sundowns. The philosophy ngikhuluma nge-identity. The way they are playing. Mangacheka i-semi-final, they never won convincing. We need to be straightforward and honest. But scoring on goal, which is the opposition, Lionel Achli is scoring on goal. And the quarter-final, questionable. They never dominated the game. The philosophy of the team slowly is taking another direction. So in today's game, I think the game plan, I think the plan coach Leo Paramis running out of ideas in Cardoso. So now the philosophy has to come. He was worried. The way Timmy Dalenga corner, you can tell what he's worried about himself. Ang daba namang abi Timmy Dali 0-0. So when penalties, the only those are Northern Africa. Identity, I'm a coach of Northern Africa. You understand? So this team, Pyramids, well done to them for being tactically disciplined. Also giving Sundowns that headache. Because when Mamba Peg Sundowns, my petty polar, they do just simple. Mao check Umayela, they pick pedal, Umayela just sit. Nomkwena, they're making it very difficult by us to Mkwena. We will link up between the defense and they go 1v1 in Nkulmangala center. And at the back, make sure 1v1. And then the coach again to show what he was not there on the game. Even assistant Wakega Basambonis, he took out the wrong player.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.